A big hello and a warm welcome to all of you amazing and beautiful people out there. Welcome to my channel, the Twin Flame Union. In this session, I would be talking about the divine masculines, finding out divine masculines as in many divine masculines, finding out that the karmic is only after their money. The karmic does not love the masculine. The karmic really does not care about him. All she cares about is money. And this has really put him off from her, with her, because he used to think that maybe she loves me, maybe she wants to be with me, maybe there is something, more which is magical between us going on. But he could never get that feeling from her. The DM had also invested his emotions and feelings for the divine feminine, but because of the karmic, he was always making the wrong choice because he wasn't really clear. He did not have enough spiritual maturity. When a person does not have the right type of spiritual maturity or enough spiritual maturity, they can never make decisions via their intuition. They can never think from their heart and their soul. They will only think from the materialistic world, from the 3D reality point of view that, okay, this person has this quality. The masculines normally get attracted to feminines who are godly by nature. And they don't understand that there are many people, many men and women on this planet who pretend to be godly, who act as if they are sincere and dedicated. Maybe at one time, at one point, these people, they have a change of heart. So they follow some good regimes or they work on themselves and they figure out certain things. If you tend to practice, if you use your mental awareness, if you follow a spiritualistic, holistic lifestyle for a certain period of time, for those days, for those months, you may come across as a person with a different energy. Now, the karmics, when they come across the DMs, at that time also they are looking for a lifestyle shift, some kind of change, they are looking for it. And the masculine comes in their life at the perfect time because they are looking for some shortcuts, for some easy money, for some ways that can enhance their lifestyle. And this is the thing with karmic, because karmics, they are coming from the karma, the baggage point of view for the masculines as well as for the feminines. So they help in releasing the illusions and delusions that both of them have about love, about unconditional love. Both of them have incomplete information. So they just feel that if a certain person treats me in a certain way, speaks to me in a certain way, says this or that, or has a certain type of personality, has some kind of thing happening in them which makes them look very authentic and real, that they could really be very pure at heart. They could really be kind-hearted. They could really be loving, understanding, caring. People can pretend all of these things for a certain amount of time, especially if it's a short period of time, right? So the DM now, because he's becoming more spiritual, he's becoming more intuitive, God is also helping him to find out the truth. And in this situation, the karmic gets frustrated with him. Let's understand the karmics leave the DMs. In most cases, in the life of divine feminines, if a karmic enters, it is the divine feminine who leaves the karmic. She is the one who dumps the karmic, right? And in the life of masculines, it's the karmic who dumps the masculine. And this is where he gets that shock. This is where he gets that betrayal. This is where he gets backstabbed. And she leaves him on account of things like he doesn't have enough money, he's not good in bed, or he is, whatever I thought that I would get from him, he is not giving me that anymore. I wanted inconsistency, I wanted to keep happening, and things like that. For private sessions, personal readings, guidance on dream interpretation, counseling and therapies, please go through the description box first, and once you are sure, then write to me at thesunamoon@gmail.com. Now, when it comes to Twin Flame intuitive readings, I prefer not knowing anything about your journey before the reading so that we can get the best and most accurate answers during the readings. So, you will have to share whatever details, or the details will pop up on its own. In many cases, they just keep popping up on their own. In case of therapies, you have to share with me different facets of your life so that we can heal the wounded inner child, which then leads to a 5D union. Without the 5D union, 3D union is not possible. You can also get my book In the Name of Love, which has 5 channel twin flame stories based on the journey of finding your ultimate soulmate. Connect with me on Instagram at the Suna Moon Goddess, and you can subscribe to the Suna Moon Vlogs to get interesting content that supports Ascension lifestyle. And Ascension is a lifestyle. Yes, we have to keep up with the Ascension lifestyle all the time, as long as we are here on planet Earth. So, now, what does this do to the DM? The DM finds out that the karmic has no love for him. All that he was imagining in his head, that she is very caring, very giving, a very sensitive woman, he realizes that all she cares about is the bucks. All she cares about is the bling. And she keeps asking me for it. She keeps asking me for the money. So this is where this whole notion that he has about love, it breaks. And it hurts him a lot. It hurts him a lot at that time, because it's not like he doesn't have the money. It's not like he doesn't want to give the money, or he doesn't give the money otherwise, or he doesn't take care of the women in his life otherwise. He does. But here, this is not what he wanted. He wanted to be loved by a godly woman, by a sensitive woman, by a kind-hearted woman, just for the way he is. Just for the way he is. That's it. Masculines are also innocent. Yes, I understand they don't act innocent, or they have not, treated the feminines well. But that's because they are ignorant. They don't know it yet. If someone does not know something in the right time, in the right divine timing, whatever way they treat you, people treat you badly because they don't know it. And they only learn when they themselves go through the similar kind of treatment. Or they do deep inner work which clears out all the karmic entanglements, all the negative emotions, the negative entities. Inner work always makes you more positive. Why do we say that? People who don't do any inner work, they easily get negative. They get very jealous. They have greed. They have lust. One of the biggest problems in the ascension journey is the problem of lust. And lust is not just bodily lust. Lust is the thing that makes you get addictive. So these addictions, they are such strong mental patterns, such strong habit patterns, that they pull the person's energy down. They pull the person down from the state of love, joy, affection, kindness, understanding, patience, humanity. They pull them down from these qualities, and they put them in these dark qualities where they are always suspicious of other people. They are never nice. They are never understanding. Most importantly, they don't want to understand what other people's perspective is. The divine masculine, when he is doing his hermitage, when he is in solitude, and divine masculines always step out of their darkness when they spend time in hermitage, away from the karmic. So from that perspective, this is a good news, because after getting this type of heartbreak, the masculines go into hermitage mode. And in this case, this seems to be a very intense heartbreak, because he really wasn't expecting this to come from a person like the karmic, because in his head, the karmic had a very special place or a very high place, and that's why he was pursuing her constantly, or that's why he was dating her. But after spending time with her, he feels that she doesn't even care about anything else, no other emotions. If he throws the money, if he shows her the money, she's very loving, very nice, very understanding, her tone changes. If she finds out that he's having some business problems, he's having some money issues, he's not able to make it, he's going through a bad time. Another thing that spiritual immaturity causes is that when people go through a bad time, the people who are spiritually immature, they see it as permanent failure. So because of that, they leave that person, they dump that person downright. They think that this is permanent, now this person cannot break, but get up. And that's because most karmics, most narcs, narcissistic people, most people who are always depending on others, they don't do anything, they don't want to do anything. They just want to chill, they want to relax, they want to have it easy. They are always stuck in comfort zones. They are lazy to get up from that comfort zone and do something worthwhile. So what they see is when other people fail, those who are trying, when other people are trying and they fail, they think that these people cannot also get up. This is a permanent breakdown, permanent failure. And the karmics normally see this. Even false twin flame falls into the same category, because many a times what happens is because of the toxicity is the main reason why some people cannot be successful. If your life partner, if your girlfriend, boyfriend, whosoever you're dating is a very toxic person, is a very negative person, not at all supportive, not at all helpful, very money minded, very money oriented, very conscious about 3D materialistic reality, they will never let you succeed. You would never be able to rise above them and do something good in life. And the false twins do this most of the times. They keep pulling the other person down. They keep pulling them down, so much so that it really hurts their self-respect, and then they just hurts the self-respect of the other person who is being pulled down. And one fine day, they just decide to separate from them. They just feel that I've had enough from this person. I will do my own thing. I will just not feel the same way for them. And it's not something they can control. It just happens automatically one fine day, where they stop going after this person, they stop chasing this person, they stop respecting this person. They can't do it anymore. They get very tired. So this can also apply to the DM's false twin if there is any. So the DM has been putting a lot of effort with the false twin, lot of effort. It's not 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. He has been putting a major amount of effort to make the partner happy. But the partner can never be happy because it's just not a happy soul. It's a soul who doesn't want to work. Okay? The soul wants to work, but the identity does not want to work. The souls are always ready to work. But sometimes the souls also incarnate on planet Earth only because the karmic baggage has become so heavy that they have to suffer throughout their life to release that karmic baggage also. Suffering is something that happens to everyone. So don't get scared by suffering. That's the idea of planet Earth. All gods and goddesses, all saintly people, all big and small people, everyone who comes to this planet Earth, they will go through pain. And they only go through pain so that they understand that suffering is simply a choice. And now the DM does not want to suffer at all. He is done with this suffering. He is done with this time wasting. Now he just wants to go alone, live in his solitude, find some purpose and just be happy. Alright, so on this note, I would be closing this channeling session. Thank you so much for being here with me. One love and peace out.